The data have now been entered into Stata, but the variable names leave something to be desired. They have the default names var1, var2, var5. We would like to rename the variables so that they match the column titles from our data set. We would also like to give the variables descriptions and change their formatting. We will step through changing the name, label, and format of the price variable. We will then add a note to the variable. Start by clicking on the var2 variable in the variables window. The few properties associated with var2 are now visible and editable in the properties window. We may now systematically change the properties of var2 to our choosing. Double-click on var2 in the name field to select the old variable name and type price to overwrite the name. 2. Click under the new price name in the label. 3. Enter a worthwhile label, such as price in dollars. 4. Click on %9.0g in the format. 5. Click on the ellipsis button that appears. The Create Format dialog opens. 6. You can see here that there are many possible formats, most of which are related to time. We want commas in our numbers, so check the Use Commas in Numeric Output. When you are done, click on the OK button. 7. Click in the Notes. 8. Click on the ellipsis button that appears. A dialog called Notes for Price opens. 9. Click on the Add button and type a clever note. 10. When you are done typing, click on the Submit button, and then click on the Close button. This note is now attached to the price variable. 11. Click on the Disclosure control to see the note you just typed in the Properties window. To edit the properties of another variable, click on the variable in the Variables window. We can name the first variable make, the third mpg, the fourth weight, and the fifth gear_ratio. Just before you rename var5 to gear_ratio, your screen should look like this. You need to know some rules for variable names. 1. Stata is case sensitive. Make, and make are all different names to Stata. If you had named your variables make, price, mpg, etc., then you would have to type them correctly capitalized in the future. Using all lowercase letters is easier. 2. A variable name must be 1 to 32 characters long. 3. The characters can be letters, AZ, digits, 0 to 9, underscores, or Unicode characters that are not symbols. 4. Spaces or other characters are not allowed. 5. The first character of a variable name must be a letter, an underscore, or a Unicode character. Although you can use an underscore to begin a variable name, it is highly discouraged. Such names are used for temporary variable names in Stata. You would like your data to be permanent, so using a temporary name could lead to great frustration.